The overall goal of this experiment is to compare two methods used to isolate high-quality organellar DNA, both plastid and mitochondrial DNA, from plant leaf tissue that is suitable for next-generation sequencing.
These methods can help answer key questions in plant biology, such as the extent of organellar diversity across taxa and how changes in organellar genome sequence or structure affect development and stress response. We will compare two techniques: the differential centrifugation method that enriches for one specific organellar type, and the methylfractionation technique that recovers total organellar DNA from smaller frozen tissue samples.
The standard procedure for growing wheat seedlings is to plant seeds in vermiculite in small square pots with 4 to 6 seeds per corner. Transfer the pots to a greenhouse with a 16-hour light cycle. Water the plants each day. Fertilize the plants with 1/4 teaspoon of granular 20-20-20 NPK fertilizer upon germination, and again at 7 days post-germination. For etiolation of wheat seedlings, plant seeds and care for plants as in the standard procedure, but place the pots in a dark growth chamber. An alternative to growing the seedlings in a dark growth chamber is to cover the plants in the greenhouse, but with proper ventilation. The first step in this procedure is to isolate the organelles. Harvest 5 grams.